Hello. A cold blast is heading for the United Kingdom. We'll all feel the change later this week, turning significantly colder thanks to some bitter winds. And yes, some of us will see some snowfall. Not the snow, though, that's been affecting Eastern Europe. Take a look at the big picture. You can see it's very cold air sitting across Eastern Europe. We are relatively mild with the green and the yellow colours. Run through the sequence of this week, and that cold air stays across Europe. But for us, the cold air starts to come down from the north. Northerly winds exacerbating that cold feel. Now we'll start to see a change during Wednesday. Cold front sweeps through after a relatively mild Tuesday. The air will turn chillier, and look at the isobars really packed together. So that's the first thing about Wednesday. Bitter winds really starting to pick up. Not a lot of snow at this stage. There will be some potentially across parts of western Scotland, chiefly over the hills. But we'll all notice that cold wind starting to pick up. Temperatures could still reach, at least for a time, double figures in the south, but it will feel colder as those winds set up. Now, let's take a look at the big picture for Thursday. Low pressure to the north of the UK. Follow the isobars and they point directly north. That is where our air is coming from. That is why it's turning that much colder. And as that weather front drives southwards, there will be some snowfall. Still too early to say exactly where and exactly when, but across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, particularly North West and North Wales. That's the area greatest at risk from seeing some snowfall. There could be 5 to 10 centimetres, maybe more over the hills across Scotland. Further south, well, there'll be a mixture of rain, sleet and snow showers. Again, the snow mostly here across the south over the hills, but it's going to feel bitter. 3 to 5 degrees. Add on that wind, it will feel even colder. On to Friday, and the winds even more now coming down from the north, and that could bring an extra hazard, potentially some big waves on the North Sea coasts. And that's one issue, and then with the winds still coming down from the north again, feeling bitterly cold with more sleet and snow showers. Again, the area is most at risk northern Scotland, but with a slight shift in the wind direction, possibly a few more of those wintry showers coming down the eastern side. 3 to 5 degrees. Again, that's what the thermometer will say. It will feel even colder. Now, there are warnings in force because of the winds and because of the snow. You can keep up to date with those on the Met Office website and through the Met Office app.